welcome to Geography A-Level. It's been known as the must-have A-Level by The Guardian, and also the Russell Group believe it is one of the 8 most facilitating subjects to study. So, to be a geographer and to have the necessary skills for geography, you need to have an element of curiosity, and be investigative, have a multidisciplinary approach, and above all be really enthusiastic about all things geographical and all the challenges and opportunities that there are facing the world today. So what we study, we will study paper 1, which is a physical geography paper, and for that we will do water and carbon. We will then look at coastal landscapes, and then we'll also look at hazards. Within that we do a lot of hazard management. We'll also look at elements of GIS, and within that as well lots and lots of other transferable skills, looking at data, looking at the challenges of climate change and so on. Paper 2 is a human geography paper, and for that you will do changing places, which is all about the perception of place and people's the idea of being an insider and an outsider. Then we also will do people and the environment, where we look at issues facing populations, look at pandemics and things like that. And then the last section is global systems and global governance, where we look at the challenges facing in the global community and so on. So entry requirements, also as well, we do a 20% of the whole course is an NEA, which is a piece of kind of investigative field work, where you'll gather data on a topic that interests you that links to those different topics in paper 1 and paper 2, and you'll present data, you'll analyse data, draw conclusions and so on. This is particularly useful for transferable skills to different job sectors. You'll learn kind of more, I suppose, what we call the hidden curriculum skills of working well as a team, having good time management, and also the ability to manage a project, which is really what you would do in the real world, right? And of course this is 20% of your grade, which is quite beneficial as well. The entry requirements, you will need to have preferably a band 6 in English, maths and also geography. If you haven't studied geography before, you still can do the course, but you may have to do some extra wider reading that we will give you. In terms of where you would go afterwards and where it will lead you, as I mentioned, it is a facilitating subject, so there's lots of links to other courses. It ties well in with A-levels of business and economics, also ties well in with the physical sciences. Paper 1 has a lot of links with biology and chemistry, and also obviously with the other humanities subjects as well. In terms of careers, in the past we have had lots of people go into engineering. We've had some go and do geography and biology and work on plant development and look at things to do with ecosystems. But as I said, it's quite a transferable subject, it's quite well regarded, so there's various job sectors that you can go into, from dealing with big data, which is the current massive area, the massive job sector, using those analytical skills to analyse data. There's transport planning, you might go to work on smart motorways. Some people go into journalism, various data analyst jobs, GIS, also as well hydrology, and also as well you could be a teacher at the end of the day as well.